tolela ilona no foanga io uao e mawai sanga lemu moi filemu ilo moenga mafana fana malova aluenga ilo ualofa moi miti malie pēpē miti malie wafe ila fifetu Masinai susulu e te whaalue I peau o le langi a le atua a e ana mai o iai lau ainga
We've just had a brilliant get-together of some mums, some dads, grandparents and pēpē talking about sleep and their families and how sleep happens and what's important for them about sleep. So we have some key things that we really want to encourage families to do. And the first ones are around the environment, so having a smoke-free environment for pēpē. We want to encourage breastfeeding if that's possible in that family. And then the baby's sleep space, so baby having their own space to sleep in. On their back is really critical, having babies sleep on their back in their own space for every sleep. And that could be in a bed, in a wahakura or a pēpē pod or some arrangement like that. If we can do that for babies, we're doing a really great step towards keeping them safe.